Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I want to talk about how to define your happiness. If you're interested in a video like that, please keep watching. So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Like I said, in this video, I want to talk about defining your happiness. If you do not know who I am, my name is Amber Turner and I am the author of You Choose Your Outfit, with outfit being the metaphor for your reality and experience. I'm also the CEO of Girl Censored, and Girl Censored is our women's apparel line, and we believe in expressing ourselves through fashion. Be loud, be bold, be confident, and this is actually one of our outfits. It's actually a short set, and I'm just wearing the top right now. But yeah, if you want to learn more about Girl Censored, you could definitely check us out on our website at girlcensored.com, and you get 10% off your first purchase, so definitely take advantage of that discount. So in this video, I want to talk about defining your happiness, because a lot of times we define our happiness by what society and what others and what this day says our happiness should be. And something actually triggered me to do this video today, but I'm not going to go too much into that because, you know, it is what it is. I think it's important to, you know, take a step back, because a lot of people have opinions about your life. And I mean, obviously I'm no different. People have opinions about my life and how I should live my life. But anyways, that's what prompted me to do this video, because I think it's important for us to take that power back and define what our happiness is. Because happiness, just like love, looks different through different lenses. Like, someone's happiness might look different from my happiness. And I think that's important for us to establish. Now, in my book, You Choose Your Outfit, I talk about this they. And this they, who knows who this they is, but this they are external people that have opinions about your life, and they tell you how you should live your life, and then how you should do certain things, and what love is and what happiness is. But when it comes down to it, and this is why the book is even called You Choose Your Outfit, because this is, you know, choice is your power. And I've done a video on this about the fact that you have the opportunity to make decisions for your life. You have the opportunity to make the choice for your life, whatever that looks like. Whatever love looks like to you, you can make that choice and have it manifested in your life. Whatever your career, your life, your happiness looks like to you, you can make the decision and manifest that into your life. A lot of times we do take the opinions of other people's perspectives, and what, you know, and the beauty about perspective is that people have gone through certain things and had different experiences in their life that have shaped their perspectives, and in turn have created their opinions, right? I think it's important to understand that and know that, and not take what others say as the truth, because it's their truth. You have the opportunity to choose and decide your truth. And I just want to make that clear, okay? Because people will tell you, do you hear what I'm saying? People will tell you, no, this is truth. No, this is how you should live your life. No, this is what happiness is. No, this is what love is. No, you get to define your happiness. You get to decide what happiness means to you. You make the choice. You choose your outfit. And so whatever outfit you want to choose for your happiness, then that's what you get to decide. And that is the beauty of this world, is that we all have different perspectives. We all have different stories that have shaped us to be the person that we are today. So your happiness might not look like someone else's happiness. So I want to talk about defining your happiness. When it comes to defining our happiness, oftentimes we look to external things that tell us what happiness should be. But I want to encourage you to define that for yourself. And a great tool that I've used over the years is scripting. You know, when we were younger, we used to imagine and daydream all the time. And I think that sometimes when we get older, an adult, and becoming an adult, and life starts to hit us and it becomes hard, we lose the desire or the ability to imagine and dream. And that is important when it comes to defining the happiness that you want to have as your outfit. So I want to encourage you, if you have the opportunity, and I say that, but we all do, is to try scripting. And scripting is a law of attraction tool where you're basically journaling in the future. But what that's going to do for you is actually get your imagination going and get you to start daydreaming again, and actually help you learn what happiness is to you. It's going to help you define what happiness is to you, not what Sally Sue says, or John down the street says, or your mama says, or your cousin says, or your sister says, or your brother says. I mean, I could keep going on, okay? But it's about you, you know, and I think it's important for you to take that power back, for me to take that power back, for us to take that power back, and not be imprisoned by other people's opinions about what our happiness should be defined as. We get to choose. You choose your outfit. And so what scripting is going to do, and I like to do it, I don't do it every single day, but I do it every once in a while when I feel like I just need to start imagining and daydreaming again, is it's going to get you just to think outside the box. Because oftentimes when we're in the daily grind of our life, we are just thinking about the responsibilities and obligations that we have to contend with. Now, it's important for us to deal with those things, but also to step outside of that and say, how would my life look in a perfect world without having to deal with the, you know, all of the crap that I have to deal with? But what does a perfect day look like to me? And that's going to help you define what your happiness is. And so that's going to get the blood flowing to your brain and help you really define what your true happiness is, not what other people say is going to make you happy. Because we've seen in our society where people have gotten, obtained things, obtained success, obtained love, I mean, all sorts of things, but they weren't happy. They weren't happy. It's not about what that person has or what that other person has. It's about what's going to make you happy. And only you can define that for yourself. So I just wanted to share that. I think it's important for, in every aspect of our lives, for us to take that power back. Define what happiness is to you. I know that scripting has helped me in defining what is happiness to me, you know, and I know that those that have opinions about the life and the choices and the decisions that I make, they do care about me and they do love me. But at the end of the day, I gotta live this life. I gotta feel the feelings that I feel moving through this life. And if this is happiness for me at this present moment, it might not be in a week. It might not be in a month. But right now in this present moment, if that's what I define as my happiness, then that's what I define as my happiness. And when you make the decision, when you make the choice, when you choose your outfit, you are taking your power back. You are taking responsibility for your life. And at the end of the day, you can create whatever you want. Whatever you want, whatever you want to experience, you can create it with whoever, with whatever. You can do it. You can create and manifest any and everything that you want. So know that. And when you know that, making decisions and making choices are easy. Because if it doesn't turn out like I want it, guess what? I know that I choose. I choose my outfit. And if it's not serving me, then I can choose another outfit. It's as simple as that. Anyways, you guys, that is all for this video. I just wanted to share that. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Like I said, I do have my new book out, You Choose Your Outfit, without, I think I said that already. Yeah, I did. I did say that already. Anyways, I'm going to leave the link below for that if you would like to know more about that book. Also, if you would like to learn more about me, you can check me out on my website at ambermarieturner.com. If you haven't already, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. I do videos on business, life, and everything in between. But anyways, you guys, I hope you're having an amazing day, and I will check you in the next video. Peace.